Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. All right, in today's video, I'll be sharing two business ideas, though they have been there, but it's trending now during this season. Why do I say so? People are cashing out in this business, and this in business of fashion. Once a fashionista, you like making clothes or you love making headgears, I think this video will favor you. Then if you are one that aspire to add more beauty in what you do, once it's into fashion designing, this business is also for you. So guys, if you are coming across this space for the first time, I'm Unique Nilo and I'm also a fashionista and the CEO of Unique Creativity. On this my channel, I teach people how to create headgears. You can produce headgears from scratch to finish. So watch my other videos if you want to learn anything about headgear again. So let me move into the business of today, which is two business ideas into fashion designing. Once you love fashion, you love making clothes, and you love making headgear. These are two trending businesses that is trending this season. So I think you should hop into it and make your great sales. Number one is bidding. I know you'll be like, it's bidding now, we've known about it. My day is not just bidding. I don't know if you have come across these clothes that trend now, they bid it all through. Most of them are not done by tailors, the people that sew the clothes. There are some people they call bidders. During this season, it has not really been easy for me because to produce headgear, both wholesale, the one I sell, the one I give to my client, the one people book as wholesale package, it has not been easy. So to even bid, because I've been a bidder, even before headgear making, I've been bidding, but it's not easy for me. So I got this, oh God, it was not funny. I got this new bidder. The way this man charging, I said, it's not bidding again. So I had to bend down and study what she has been doing for me. I said, God, this thing can be a business idea, and people are just dulling. I don't have money for data. I don't have money for this. But you have two hands. Your brain, you know what you can start up with. You are then dulling on it. Even as someone that make headgears or clothes, you can sew finish. Then after sewing, you can use beads to design it. What you have to do is enroll in bidding class. See, people are cashing out big in bidding. You can browse about it now if you think I'm lying. They charge higher more than the main clothes they sew. I was like, what is this? If I even use anger and did bidding on my own on my baby girl's clothes, I said I'm not paying, no, I'll do it with my hands. And I had to bid it. This is business that is selling big now. So if you hop into it, no darling. See, you can see this headgear I'm wearing. If you watch closely, you will see it. What is this? It's a beaded headband now. Look, browse about bidding. You can bid on clothes, you can bid on headgears. Then the second on my list is headgear production, headgear business. Why do I want to elaborate more on headgear business? I got a message on my WhatsApp. The lady said, Ma, I can't sew. My timing, everything, in fact, I can't sew, but I love headgear. How do I go about it? Let me answer this question now. It is not a must. You must produce by yourself. Don't know if you get me. It isn't a must. You go cut, buy material, sew by yourself. No. You can get someone that sews very well with good material, not all these cheap materials. So the person will not kill your handwork. Or go to the market, search for good stuff, good material. If you see good thing, you know now, buy it. Hmm? After buying it, you know these appliques, all these stones, small, small roses, flowers, buy candle gum. All right, this is what I call candle glue gun. This is glue gun. Or and there's gum here like being inserted inside it. You can see it. That's what we call candle gum. You can just buy this in the market. What you do for me is buy already made turban or fascinator. They want to add some rich to it. Understand? You can buy a normal already made fascinator cap base. Then buy all these small roses, add your feathers, attach it, and sell. Why I'm making these business ideas is because this is the season. Is it the season? Ah, this is the season everybody wants to rock. Everybody wants to be beautiful. They no send. You can buy a ready-made cap. Use your hand and bid on it. You're not the one that produced the cap. Just go to the market, buy it. When you buy, bid. You can buy normal Zara caps, bid. Buy all these letters they use in writing Asa Odogu, Asa this one. bid on it and sell. These are businesses you can do from your own house. You don't even need to rent a shop before you start up this business. Why are you dwelling on this? I said, let me just drop this tip so that you'll be able to key into it. This business are the ones I know that are selling presently. And if you started this season, you will cash out big. Remember, I always say this, it's not all about production. Oh. Another question is, how do you sell? Remember your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, your Instagram, TikTok. Go on social media. Go out, not your house from house to shop. No, take this outside. Go digital. Go digital. People are making millions online. So guys, thanks for staying on to this time. Hope this video will be helpful to you or to someone else. Don't hesitate to share this video because you can save a soul by sharing this video. See you next in my next video. Love you all. Bye.